Hi, I'm Lindsay with Lakeshore Learning. Toddlers love to explore the world around them and take in new and exciting sights and sounds. You can give the 18 to 36-month-olds in your life endless exploration opportunities with these perfect must-have gifts. Between 18 months and 2 years, kids become more interested and engaged in imaginative play. The best gifts for older toddlers encourage them to pretend and explore. Let's take a look at some of these great gift ideas. I love this set of soft and safe building blocks. You bet they're soft, and with this variety of shapes, patterns, and colors, little builders will create structures and play with countless building possibilities. The set has 26 pieces, including 4 fun balls that jingle, shake, rattle, and crinkle. Toddlers love to engage in anything sensory related, so let's look at the Play and Learn sensory tubes. Children can discover bouncing balls, gliding stars, and jingling bells in these permanently sealed durable tubes. Just give them a roll, shake, or flip to see and hear the action. Could this next gift idea be any cuter? The hide-and-seek Beehive has it all. It's soft and fun, but with plush bees that jingle, rattle, and squeak, it offers endless hours of play and exploration. With the help of a parent or a caregiver, toddlers can enjoy a fun game of hide-and-seek with the bees and the Beehive. Toddlers will love hiding the bees in the top of the soft hive and then pulling them out through the peekaboo door. They really get a kick out of watching an adult's reaction to this little game. Encourage imaginative play and sensory exploration with your little ones. These gifts for growing minds are must-haves for your 18 to 36-month-olds. Be sure to like this video and post your comments. And subscribe to the Lakeshore Learning channel to see more.